a fun math puzzle for you today. Are you ready to think and solve? Let's go! Look at this puzzle. Apple plus apple equals 10. Apple minus banana equals 2. Now, here's the question. What is apple plus banana? Thinking time. Did you figure it out? Let's solve it together. First, we know apple plus apple equals 10, so 1 apple is 5. Next, from apple minus banana equals 2. We can substitute apple equals 5. 5 minus banana equals 2. That means banana is 3. Now let's find apple plus banana. Apple is 5 and banana is 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. The answer is 8. Did you get it right? Great job! Thanks for solving the puzzle with me today. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.